The Indian state of Karnataka is known for which famous festival? The correct answer is number B, Mysore Dasera, who is known as the Flying Sikh in Indian cricket. The correct answer is number A, Kapil Dev, who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in weightlifting at the age of 28. The correct answer is number C, Karnam Malleswari. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? The correct answer is number A, Brahmaputra. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is number D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? The correct answer is number A, Punjab. The Indian National Congress was founded in the year. The correct answer is number C, 1885. Which Indian city is also known as the City of Joy? The correct answer is number A, Kolkata. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly? The correct answer is number B, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. The Red Fort in Delhi was built by. The correct answer is number A, Shah Jahan. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea? The correct answer is number D, Assam. The famous dance from Kathakali originated in which Indian state? The correct answer is number A, Kerala. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? The correct answer is number A, Rabindranath Tagore. The highest peak in India is. The correct answer is number B, Kanchenjunga. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? The correct answer is number A, Jaipur. Who is the current president of India? The correct answer is number C, Draupadi Murmu. The famous Sun Temple is located in. The correct answer is number A, Konark, Odisha. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? The correct answer is number D, 1942. The Indian state of Goa was liberated from Portuguese rule in the year. The correct answer is number A, 1961. The first Indian to travel in space was. The correct answer is number D, Rakesh Sharma. The Indian state of Kerala is known as the gods of own country. Which language is predominantly spoken in Kerala? The correct answer is number A, Malayalam. The Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny, started in which city? The correct answer is number C, Meerut. The world's largest democracy is. The correct option is number A, India. Who is the first and only Indian to score a triple century in Test cricket? The correct answer is number B, Virender Sehwag. The famous Ajanta and Ellora Caves are located in which Indian state? The correct answer is number A, Maharashtra. The Battle of Plassey was marked the beginning of British rule in India. Was fought in the year. The correct answer is number B, 1757. The Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir shares its border with which country? The correct answer is number A, Pakistan. The Konark Sun Temple is dedicated to which Hindu deity? The correct answer is number D, Surya. The national sports of India is. The correct answer is number A, field hockey. The Indian state of Assam is famous for which tea variety? The correct answer is number C, Assam tea.